Good day, guys. We are in a rush right now. Tumawag po yung kliyente natin. I will be going to his office to discuss some matters. Actually, akala ko for the entire day mag-edit lang ako ng video since I'm trying to build up my YouTube channel. And kakahupa lang nung Typhoon Uwan. It's currently November 10, 2 p.m. Right at the moment na umaraw na, biglang tumawag yung client. Now, come with me and it's another day in the life of a Gen Z lawyer. Bago tayo umalis, mag-unbox tayo ng package from Shopee. I actually got a new tripod. Bumili ako ng tripod because I got myself a new action camera. Mahirap naman mag-vlog nang walang tripod, diba? So I got myself a really small tripod. I hope it will fit well. This is a tripod from Telsin, I guess. Here it is. Oh no! Walang magnet. How will I? There's no magnet. Oh no, I can't use this right now, but meron naman akong gears from DJI. It's this one. See? It's so compact. Meron naman akong gears from DJI. It's just that hindi ko siya dala ngayon, so I won't be able to use it for today's vlog. Anyway, all goods naman. Thank you, Shopee. Maraming salamat. I get most of my needs from Shopee, really, so did I bring it? Wait, I'll check my bag. Baka dala ko naman. I got myself the adventure combo. So, meron na siyang, yes, I got it. Meron na siyang ganito. This one is quite long. So, I got myself the smaller one. See? Anyway, nandito naman yung magnetic clamp something niya. So, kaya ko to ipasok dito sa mas maliit. Actually, they are on sale right now in Shopee because of the 11/11 sale. So if you guys want to buy a new camera or if you want to start your vlogging career, you can head on to the DJI Live and they are still on sale. This is No Action 4 and I got it for only 17,000 pesos. And that's already for the adventure combo. So go for it, guys. Yes! Oh, simula na ng vlogging career ko. Papatong ko kayo dito ah. There you go. Nice and sturdy. Okay, let's go to the client na. I super love this camera. It's really small. Sobrang compact ng camera na to. See? It's so convenient. One thing that's really difficult about being a solo practicing lawyer is that laging may ganito, yung mga last minute lagi na, attorney, baka naman pwede mo akong gawa ng ganito, kailangan kong ipasa sa ganitong office within 5 hours or sometimes even less. Tapos may mga ganito rin na, attorney, baka pwede kang pumunta dito sa office, we need to discuss something kasi medyo we're in trouble. Usually that instances really happens with businessmen. Sometimes na naluloko sila or di kaya may perang nawawala, ganun, and sometimes you have to write demand letters. It's one of the taxing things about being a solo practitioner. But I think the best part really is that you don't have a boss. So, work ka lang kahit nakapajama ka pa dyan. And you only have to present yourself well if you have meetings or you have to go to the court. Pero as to the instances where you only have paperworks like pleadings or contracts to review or contracts to draft, hindi mo na kailangan mag-ayos, hindi mo na kailangan mag-time in. You just can conveniently work from home. I actually was from a Singapore trip a few weeks back. Grabe doon, never ako nakaramdam ng lubak. Alam mo yun, sobrang patag, tagkalsada. Kahit yun man lang sana, diba, maibigay sa atin. Gosh. Corruption. guys, nandito na tayo sa office ng ating client. I'm so sorry I can't take you guys. Dito muna kayo, okay? Ciao! Hello guys! We just finished our meeting with a client and kinuha nila tayo retainer for our legal services. When I say legal retainer, ibig sabihin nun, para kang on-call lawyer, no? Kapag may queries sila, questions, kung anong desisyon ang kailangan nilang gawin, is this legal, is this, hindi ba tayo delhado kapag ginawa natin to, tayo yung unang tatawagan. It's already 5:30 in the evening, and I don't know, where should I go? Should I go to the mall, or should I go home na? Ano ba yung movie ngayon sa sine? I'm not sure where to go na. Papahinga ba ako? Gagala. I don't know. I just want to relax. It's not really a long day, but I've been a bit stressed about the typhoon and everything. So, let's go spend some money. Let's go. Andito tayo ngayon sa SM. Mag-isa tayong magsisine. First time kong magsisine mag-isa. Let's go. Samahan nyo na lang ako. Ano po yung time ng Lakambini?
May PM naman.
Ilang hours po yun?
1 hour and 34 minutes.
Sige po, isang Lakambini. Eye level po ba yung K? F, G, H. Sige po, H na 14. Card payment po. Thank you po. But the tickets are here. So 9 PM pa. What time is it? 6:25. Watching a film alone.
Hey, buddy.
Sabi ako lang mag-isa dito. It's my first time watching a film alone. It's a bit scary. It's already dark. I actually researched about the film. The film is actually called Lakambini. It's about the wife, lover, I'm not sure, of Andres Bonifacio and how she loved him until the end. watched a really good movie. Sobrang galing talaga ni Gina Pareño. She played the role of the elderly Gregoria de Jesus, the mother of Katipunan. Grabe, pag siya talaga yung actress sa isang film, grabe naiiyak talaga ako. Pero hindi naman umiyak kanina. It's just that may mga realization lang ako na our forefathers, they worked so hard for us to have the freedom that we have right now. And we tend to forget their sacrifices. Like, isipin mo si Gregoria de Jesus. She fell in love with Andres around early 20s daw. And then she lost her husband. And then she lost her child. She was listening to the radio and it was announced that Manuel Quezon won against Emilio Aguinaldo, and she said natalo na yung taksil. And then she cried so hard because according sa mga kwento din, si Aguinaldo daw ang nagpapatay kay Andres Bonifacio, her first love. So parang nagkaroon ng conclusion yung grief niya when she heard that finally Aguinaldo lost. Wow. Then one of the things that she passed down to the younger generation is that walang lihim na hindi nabubunyag. Because right now, there are historians who are saying that it was Emilio Aguinaldo who ordered the murder of Andres Bonifacio, the allegedly, according to historians, the first president of the Philippines. Oh, grabe. History is so wild. It's so amazing. It makes you realize that ang daming tao who were there before us, who made a mark in history, and sometimes we just fail to appreciate them and their sacrifices for the country. Wow. Alright. It's 10:46. It's been a long day. Really, akala ko talaga mag-edit lang ako ng videos for my Instagram reels, but apparently kapag sine pa ako. Anyway, I'm heading home and I hope you guys enjoyed this first ever long form day in a life. I hope I get to make more videos like this despite my busy schedule, but I will try to make more content because I love content creation. Anyway, see ya. Bye.